Land of the North. Oh hey! Welcome back slot car fans, it's your boy Mass, back again with another slot car related video. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of two track lighting solutions. This will be the first one, it just came in today, I've ordered it from Germany. So again, this is the first video. I have another product coming in at some point this week that I will be reviewing. Let's unbox this and get to it. Alright, so like I said, the first of two products came in today. This one's from Germany, I ordered it on eBay. So ignore the Amazon Prime logos. So let's unbox this, or unwrap it rather, and see what I got. Alright, I got my trusty X-Acto knife here. Let's open this up. Just like butter. Alright, so product number one is the TIPP-KICK lights. This is from Germany, like I've said. It's from, I guess, some soccer game that they have there that they use these lights for their stadiums, but a lot of slot car guys have used this on their track as one of their lighting solutions. So I'm gonna set these up. I believe there's 4 in here and they require 3 batteries each. So I'll set these up. Well, we'll open it first, set them up, and see what we think of them. Look pretty cool, and the price wasn't too bad. So this is the box once again. So this is the box once again. Let's take one final look before I tear it open. That's the back in various languages. Floodlight set. Lich set. I'm sorry, my German is terrible, as you can tell. But I'm pretty sure that translates to floodlight set in English. Forgive me again for my German. Alright, let's get this open. So, it's as expected really. They look pretty good. Slot for the batteries there. So, let me go grab some batteries. We'll light these up and see what kind of light we get from them. So they're actually a lot brighter than I thought they would be, which is awesome. So I'm very happy with this purchase so far. And like you saw, they take 3 AA batteries each. So let's place these and see how they look on the track. I think these look awesome. I'm very happy with these. It only sucks that I got 4 of them, but already I think it looks awesome. They give off a huge amount of light. And I think it's a great option for people that want some track lighting and don't want to run wires. Just an easy, quick, drop it on the table and go kind of thing. But yeah, I think they look awesome. set. They're awesome for what they are. They give off amazing lighting, as you saw in the videos. And I believe I paid $45 Canadian plus $15 shipping and handling, which I don't think is bad for what these are. It's an easy solution for anyone that wants some track lighting without running any wires. All you do is plop in 3 AA batteries, flick the switch, and you're good to go. I'm very happy with this purchase, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have another product coming in the mail, a totally different track lighting set that requires wiring and all that jazz. So we'll see how those look. I'm actually pretty excited to see them. So stay tuned for that, and also check out my Instagram, mp.slotcar. I'm constantly posting things. And yeah, until next time, keep your guide in the slots. I really need a new outro. Any suggestions? You stay classy, slot car people.
How about new?